Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. You need to start by accessing Play Store and downloading your new default app, in my case Opera Mini Browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download. Then go into Settings, choose Apps and Notifications and select Default Apps. Now select one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I'll go with Browser app. Tap on the one that you wish to set up, in this case Opera Mini, and tap on the back button. As you can see, the food app on my Realme has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!